Can you work and file taxes in the US without an SSN? Imagine trying to navigate the US tax system without a social security number. It might seem tricky, but there are ways to handle your taxes even if you don't have one. Let's look at what that means for immigrant and family tax matters. A social security number is a 9-digit number issued by the US government. It's mainly for citizens, permanent residents, and non-citizens who are authorized to work. If you are not eligible for an SSN, it's because you don't have the legal work authorization yet. That's common for many immigrants, including some Latino families. If you don't have an SSN, you usually can't work legally in the US. Employers need an SSN to report wages and pay taxes. Working off the books or as an independent contractor is not legal and can cause problems later. It's better to wait until you get proper work authorization. Even without an SSN, you still might need to file taxes if you have income. For example, if you earn money from investments, rental properties, or scholarships, you must report this income to the IRS. If you are self-employed, you also need to file taxes. To do this, you can apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN. Getting an ITIN is simple. You fill out IRS Form W-7 and send it with your tax return. You'll need to provide documents that prove your identity and foreign status. The IRS accepts original documents or certified copies from the issuing agency. You can get help from IRS offices or authorized acceptance agents who review your documents and help you submit your application. You should apply for an ITIN if you are not eligible for an SSN but need to file taxes. Many immigrants, international students, and dependents use ITINs. If you are a US citizen, permanent resident, or authorized to work, you should get an SSN instead. Having an ITIN allows you to file a tax return, claim certain tax credits like the child tax credit, and sometimes file jointly with a spouse who has an SSN or ITIN. Filing taxes with an ITIN helps you stay compliant with US law, can lead to refunds if you overpaid, and may help with future immigration benefits. If you owe taxes, the IRS expects you to file a return, even without an SSN or ITIN. If you are due a refund, the IRS might not process it until you provide a valid number. Not filing can lead to penalties and could hurt your chances if you later seek legal status. Many Latino families include members with different immigration statuses. Parents might have ITINs, while children born in the US have SSNs. When filing, make sure to use the correct number for each family member. Claiming dependents correctly can help you qualify for important tax credits. If you or your employer used an incorrect or fake SSN before, you can fix this by applying for an ITIN. Contact the IRS to transfer your wage and tax history to your new ITIN. This helps you build a record for future immigration or Social Security benefits. Remember, you usually cannot work legally without an SSN, but you can and should file taxes if you have income. Use an ITIN if you're not eligible for an SSN. Getting an ITIN is straightforward with the right documents and help. Filing taxes correctly protects your family, helps you get refunds, and supports future immigration plans. If you need help, community organizations and tax professionals are available to assist you.